we now head over to Cebu, where the 9-day novena ahead of the Feast of the Santo Niño has officially begun. For details, we have One News Cebu correspondent Dale Israel reporting to us live. Dale, kamusta ang sitwasyon dyan?
Senyor Denise, Senyor Lord, dito tayo ngayon sa Cebu City Sports Center para panoorin yung mga practice ng mga sasali sa sinulog. Pero kanina, the long stretch of Osmeña Boulevard in Cebu City was filled with thousands of people for the annual Walk with Jesus, which is part of the Fiesta Señor or the Feast of the Santo Niño de Cebu. Devotees carried their candles and replicas of the Santo Niño as they prayed, sang hymns, and walked from Fuente Osmeña Circle towards Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. The Walk with Jesus, also known as the Penitential Walk, signals the start of the 9-day novena for the Feast of the Señor Santo Niño. This is one of the most anticipated activities related to the Sinulog Festival, which is stated on January 18. Hope was evident on the faces of the participants despite the challenges experienced by residents here, including those affected by earthquake and Typhoon Tino. Devotees also filled both inside and outside of the Pilgrim Center at the Basilica for the Novena Mass held after the Walk with Jesus. According to the authorities, the crowd estimate for this year's walk will reach around 240,000 individuals, significantly higher than the 100,000 recorded last year. The Penitential Walk with Jesus was generally peaceful, with police personnel deployed in various areas and no rain reported early. Meanwhile, Denise, this morning also, the police has recorded a total of not less than 20 incidents of road crash along Osmeña Boulevard after the walk with Jesus. The authorities are saying that these were caused by melted drops of candles left by participants of the walk, and it affected especially motorcycles. Authorities are still cleaning up the thoroughfares of Osmeña Boulevard to prevent further accidents on the street. Meanwhile, the Novena Masses continue at the Basilica. That's until 6 o'clock in the evening. Back to you, Denise.
Alright, Dale. Okay, balik ako doon sa mga sa competition, mga strictly mga taga Cebu lang ang pwedeng sumali dyan or may mga gali pa from iba-ibang parts of the Philippines?
Actually, Lord, there are out-of-town contingents kasali sa competition, gaya ng Las Piñas, dito rin yung maraming provinces from Mindanao, from Cotabato, dito rin yung taga Zamboanga at Zamboanga Sibugay, sali sila sa sinulog bilang free interpretation category at kasali ito sa competition ngayong taon, Lord.
Right. Pete Senyor, maraming salamat. Thank you for the update. Ang ating One News Cebu correspondent Dale Israel live.